utamaki kwenye kalenda, yani nikikufa nizikwe na wewe. Nakupenda nyota ya maisha yangu.
If a yes is a yes.
Wase, acheni niwaambie. Mimi sijui kama ni pesa inaniwashanga ama jumili anti-mado ama cause I suffered in life and now no more suffering. I think it's a little bit of everything and all that. Can you imagine? Yesterday I came home tired. I was super exhausted. So there was this outfit I saw at Elegance Fashions. Kwanza you guys should check out their page. Hapa unajua click on this Elegance Fashions and check out their page. So I went to get one outfit. Nikasema najua nini, acha tu niende ni buy ni fit and all that, unajua, for my occasion and events and all that. And then guess what? Wase, I came with a whole car full of elegance. Unajua, my car is full of elegance. What? Let's do this. Requirement outfit moja, okay? A bag full of elegance. Another one full of elegance. Hey. Another one full and guy. Another one. Yani, I went to that shop and I was like, oh my gosh, what? Hata zingine wajeka kwa page. Look at all this. Let me just show you a sneak peek of what I got. I think this was one of my absolute best. I can't wait for you guys to see how it's gonna look on me. Look at that top. Look at that top. Guys, I'm thinking at this point I just have to change my entire wardrobe. So by buying to my old clothes, we get to the new outfits. So this one is actually a two-piece. So we have a coat, oh my gosh, and a short top run. Anyway, I don't want to spoil the vibe, because you know what, I'm gonna be rocking all of this. So this coming week I'm just gonna be looking and nothing but amazing. I think at this point, Team Diana, ebu niambieni mimi nataka sasa nguo zangu, because when elegance continues like this, I'm just gonna be checking out their page and buying new clothes every week.
Sipendi kuku stress. I got you every time, so you better be my pet. Take you to my homies, I'ma show them you're the best. I'ma show them you're the rest. For now, let me say, tukichoka tu press, wakibonga tu sari, kucheza ni mesari, napenda tu
chumani ni mafoto, chipe kidogo, mtoto moto, kulia kushoto, yani kushoto. I love you, be my queen. Nakupenda nyota ya maisha yangu.
Napenda tu kucheki kila time ukikam through. Napenda tu kucheki ukitembea kibantu. Na sina vako mo, mimi nataka uwe wangu. Tushikane pamoja, mimi nikupeleke kwangu. Nikutake tu Kawera ukacheki mama yangu. Come baby come, all I got is your attention. Let me show you just a smart, I can't pressure. I'm already deep down in your ocean.
Nitavimba kila kona nikiwa nawe, hata wabonge nitabaki nawe. Singoki sana kisiki mawe, nakupenda hivi.